Fusarium wilt of lettuce is a serious and growing problem for lettuce growers in the Southwest and elsewhere. Since this disease was first discovered in Arizona, it has manifested itself every year, causing increasing economic losses. Hi, I'm Paul Pryor, Executive Director of the Yuma Center of Excellence for Desert Agriculture. The Center of Excellence is an innovative public-private partnership that addresses high-priority issues identified by industry stakeholders to improve all aspects of desert crop production systems and economics. Our goal is to bring together industry, university researchers, and government agencies to find solutions to desert agriculture's pressing problems. A recent industry survey by the Arizona Iceberg Lettuce Research Council identified disease control and management as a top priority for research. Today we are talking with Dr. Pryor, Professor of Plant Pathology and Microbiology at the University of Arizona's College of Agriculture and Life Sciences about Fusarium wilt of lettuce.
Fusarium wilt of lettuce is caused by a soil-borne fungus, Fusarium oxysporum. There are many different forms of Fusarium oxysporum, and each one infects only a single host. There are forms that infect celery, or tomato, or cotton, or a number of other vegetable and field crops. But today, we'll be focusing on the form that infects iceberg lettuce. The fungus first invades the lettuce plants through the small roots, then grows into and blocks the plant's vascular system, reducing the plant's ability to move water. This results in stunting, wilting, and finally death of the plant. Older plants may survive, but are usually severely stunted and cannot be harvested. Now, diagnosing the pathogen in the field is not always easy and requires an examination of the plant's roots. The root system of infected plants may look healthy on the outside, but the disease is visible when the internal tissue is exposed and examined, where there is a clear reddish-brown discoloration. At this point, the plant is severely infected and will not produce a harvestable head. The most effective disease management tool for Fusarium wilt of lettuce, besides avoiding infected fields, is to grow plants that are genetically resistant to the pathogen. There are varieties that are somewhat resistant or tolerant to the disease, and more are being developed continuously. Another important tool is to implement sanitation procedures to minimize the movement of the pathogen to non-infested fields. Now, this involves thoroughly removing contaminated soil from tractors, farm equipment, irrigation pipes, harvesting equipment, and footwear before leaving the infested field. And for success, these sanitation procedures must remain in effect even when the contaminated field is used for other crops other than lettuce. The Fusarium wilt fungus can live on dead plant tissue when living tissue is not available, which enables the pathogen to survive in soil for many, many years. In addition, the fungus can colonize the roots of other non-lettuce plants without causing disease symptoms. For these reasons, the effectiveness of crop rotation is questionable. New research has found that the pathogen population in soil decreases over time if the field is left free of plants and dry. Further research is needed in this area to determine just how many years that field needs to be left fallow before the fungus populations are reduced to manageable levels. Research in the management of Fusarium wilt of lettuce continues and includes annual trials to assess the efficacy of crop protection products and the utility of resistant varieties, biological control products that contribute to plant defense and can be used on organic crops, rapid and early detection of the pathogen before symptoms are visible to the naked eye, including using remote detection technologies, assessment of the disease potential or disease pressure per field with pre-plant soil testing, and finally, maintaining soil health will likely play a more important role in controlling this disease, and research in this area is ongoing.
The Yuma Center of Excellence for Desert Agriculture is dedicated to solving desert agriculture's most urgent problems, and we appreciate Dr. Pryor's work in this area. I hope that this video has given you some insights for managing Fusarium wilt of lettuce. For much more detailed information on this and other topics, be sure to visit our website at desertagsolutions.org.